Assalamu alaikum. Today we will be talking about operating systems.
We have different types of operating system. Yes, there are different types of operating system which have different features, which different qualities on the basis of the usage of computer. The name called by itself, single user. Single user means the system which is used by only one user at a time. Similarly, the multi-user means that the person can use the user. The number of users can involve uh, one time at the same operating system. Single user actually is a basic and a very common one which we use at homes, at our offices and restaurants and number of places for basic functions. These are which we can save data and use them later. So these are normally known as home computers, such as Windows. Yes, Windows 98, 2000, XP. These are the different versions of Windows, as well as Mac. Apple is also an operating system now. Multi-user. Multi-user, as I told you, is the operating system that allow multiple users to connect and operate a single operating system. Yes, it is connected in a way that number of users can use one single operating system. They can be connected by the terminals, by the networks or machines such as a printer. Yes, it can be a printer, or it can be a CPU, or you can say it can be a monitor or anything which is a medium as an operating system which is used by multiple users at the same time. Some of the multi-user examples are given here. Yes, one user on the right hand side you can see the picture in which one user has the CPU with the desktop and other users only have the desktop. Yes, because the CPU is the main operating system which is used by other four members within the organization. Similarly, you can see that this is the network which we use as an internet, or you can say any network to communicate. This is connected to number of devices. Now this is known as network operating system. Yes, this operating system in which network is involved, which is known as network operating system. This device which is connected by other devices is known as server. Coming to the software part of the computer, desktops and icons. Yes, desktop. Desktop is the basic thing which we used to see when we open the computer. Yes, this is actually the working space on which we used to work, type, write. We see, watch, talk. Anything we used to do is display on this desktop. Similarly, desktop have some different functions on it, such as icons, such as taskbar. We will discuss about the taskbar, icons, and the folders and files later. But icons are those small pictures or which donate with the names of softwares which we normally use in our daily routine to access any file or any document in our life, such as Google Chrome. Yes, this is the icon which shows that this is the internet icon in which we can search, we can explore different features around the world available on internet. Similarly, we can see Adobe or PPT, which is the device which help us to see the document in different formats. File is actually an icon shown on the desktop This is an object which stores data information or any settings command within the computer. Yes, in these files we used to store our data, any document or any picture or anything which we want to use later is displayed on the desktop as an icon. I will show you the picture later, as well as uh, computer files are stored on the drive, hard drive, disk, and DVDs. These are the device. These files are stored on drives, which can be hard drive, disk, or DVD. Folders. Yes, folders are those things, those storage spaces which stores number of different files all together, or you can say one standard of files or one meaning of file all together. For example, if I have something related to education, I have different files on education, maths, computer science, SST, and number of other subjects. I can create the folder which name of education and add all the subjects file in it, in which once I click on that folder, I can access all the file within that folder at the same place. This is why we use folder to make our work organized and easy to maintain. You can see the clear picture of the difference of files and folders. Yes, folder is the file folder in which we can arrange the documents, and files are the documents which we arrange in folder to manage our work.